Melanoma is a very aggressive tumor, and prognosis is poor in the metastatic stages. So one thing we may try is to identify early markers in patients at the very early stages. And one way to approach this is to investigate sera or blood from patients at the early stages and look for any molecule which might be differently expressed as compared to a normal healthy patient. Actually, I started from therapeutics and we have published several papers where we show that unexpectedly growth factors may become inhibitory factors when they have the chance to interact to each other. Because we realize at a certain point that mechanisms involved in the inhibition may be involved also as a marker. And now we are basically investigating the mechanisms involved in the anti-melanoma effect, and in this multiplex technology and bioplex technology help us a lot, because we are making a phosphoproteome investigation to identify proteins activated or not, or inactivated in our conditions. Before bioplex technology, we could approach only with the classic proteomic way, which is actually expensive and requires specific expertise, which often are not directly available. I first heard about bioplex by colleagues talking about HPV investigation using bioplex technology, and then I realized that HPV might be only one of the several different applications. Then we got in touch with Bio-Rad, and a new field opened in my research. Bioplex it's useful for us for reproducibility, sensitivity, and small volumes needed to work with. It's a reliable technique with the magnetic beads. It has very reproducible, and of course we need to validate with a different technique, but the data are quite strong. Another interesting part of bioplex technology is the sensitivity, which goes down to low picograms per milliliter, and we are having actually some problems to validate data with a different technology because there are not so many ELISA able to go down to a low picogram per milliliter level. This makes possible experiments which are basically not possible using classic ELISA where larger volumes are usually needed. The reasons why I decided to go into this kind of research is that reducing mortality in melanoma is a key way to approach this problem. Reducing mortality means either identifying new therapeutic approach, effective therapeutic approach, or identifying effective early diagnostic approach. Both ways we can save human life.